Hi guys. Now the topic we are considering is pharmacotherapy and coital postures and importance of the coital postures. Pharmacotherapy as such is a branch. Those are medical practice doctors and registered medical practitioners can prescribe. But basic things you should know in pharmacotherapy, particularly when female patient having problem of pain during intercourse and male partner is normal, then it is advises apply the Lox lignocaine cream locally at vaginal aperture. And if the pain relieved, then the male partner can proceed for intercourse. Secondly, in pharmacotherapy particularly, we advise in the male erectile dysfunction, Viagra, well-known medicine, contains sildenafil molecule. Sildenafil give the immediate effect, start from the 25 mg 1 hour before intercourse. If not responded, then 50 mg up to 100 mg can extend it. But the patient having blood pressure, cardiac problem, kidney problem should avoid it. Second molecule is tadalafil, can start with the 2.5 mg, 5 mg up to 10 mg, maximum 20 mg. But it must take earlier, 8 to 10 hours before. It's better results and effect is 2 to 3 days. Then is the vardenafil, similarly 5 mg, 10 mg, 20 mg, can try it 1 hour before intercourse. He can advise micronutrient like vitamin A, C, E, along with this B complex, along with this antioxidants and so on. Chyawanprash can be advisable with milk morning and evening for the male part. If you know these are basic things, the counselor or practitioner in sexual medicine should know. And now regarding the coital postures, the basic things, if the patient having infertility, even if no any damage, no any organic cause, everything is normal, all investigation normal in the male and female part, then it is advised have a sonography of uterus and see the position. If retroverted uterus, then advise doggy pose. Then if introverted uterus, then advise pillow in the back, below the back, and in this position advise intercourse and female partner should be remain there. Top is the male partner. Minimum advice after intercourse 30 minutes she should be in the same position for better fertilization or ovum and semen union, sperm union. And these are the basic things you should remember. Dear friends, if you have any queries, do let me know. I will modify it in future videos. Thank you very much.